Welcome to Free Learning System.
In this quick tutorial, learn how to make the most of Microsoft Word's Format Painter tool using 3 efficient methods: single-click, double-click, and keyboard shortcuts. Enhance your formatting skills and streamline document creation with these versatile techniques. Let's start with the single-click method. Firstly, select the text or object that holds the formatting you desire. Then, simply click the Format Painter button located in the Clipboard group on the Home tab. Notice how the cursor transforms into a paintbrush, indicating that the formatting has been copied. Now, click on the text or object where you want to apply this formatting. Voila! The formatting is effortlessly copied to the new location. Next, let's explore the double-click method for multiple areas. Select the text that holds the formatting you desire. Double-click on the Format Painter button instead of a single click. The paintbrush cursor appears again. Click on various texts or objects where you want to apply this formatting. To stop using the Format Painter, simply press the Escape key on your keyboard. Lastly, for swift formatting transfer, let's explore the keyboard shortcut method. Select the text or object containing the formatting you want to copy. Press Ctrl plus Shift plus C to copy the formatting. Now, select the text or object where you want to apply this formatting. Press Ctrl plus Shift plus V to paste the copied formatting onto the selected text or object. And there you have it.